guys! Welcome to my scrappiness!
Hey guys, it's Marissa, and we are going to work on our first Mini Kit Monday Challenge layout for the month of September. And I have two pictures here that I'm going to scrapbook. These are pictures of my beautiful friends and myself. And then of course, we are going to use on this layout, this marquee stickers. I took out 3 papers from the Auburn Lane pad that I have shown you during my mini kit reveal, which I'm going to put up here. Anyway guys, these are the papers, and there's only 3 of them that we're going to use today. And then off the ephemera pack from this On Trend 2 by Mind's Eye, I pulled out and out because I am not sure if I'm going to be able to use all this. I'm going to play with this layout and see how far it'll take me using this layout or this embellishment. So we'll see. All right, and let's start trimming our papers. So it's a good thing these papers that I got are truly not directional, so we can really play with them. So this grayish paper that I am cutting out here is actually going to be the base of this layout. And then the other 2 will be the ones that we are going to use for layering. So let me start with this. I want to cut this down to 5 by 11. So the paper's already at 12 by 12. I'm just going to cut this down to 5 by 11. Just cutting off 1 inch on this side. And then off of this, I'm going to cut off, I'm thinking would be a 7 by 9. And if we mess up, we should hopefully still have extra of this, but just cutting this down to 7 by 9. Alright, so let's put this on the side. So I'm going to take this scissors here just so I can trim it. I'm thinking a deep, not too deep, but deep enough. Maybe about 1.25 inches. I'm just eyeballing this, guys. So I cut it in the middle, and then I'm just going to dovetail it. There you go. If you're wondering, all my tools are right in front of me here. And then we have this, and this is going to be, as usual, a very easy layout. So what I'm going to do is center this about 1 inch down here, and then tack this down. So I'm putting a lot of adhesive on this so I know it won't fall off. Trying to center it up and down best I can, and then about 1 inch here on the left. Okay, and then I'm going to put this right here. Okay, so let me see how I'm going to lay these pictures. Let me see if the gold will look better or the pink will look better. I think the gold will provide a better contrast. I'm gonna put down the gold over there. Let's lay this down a bit, and so we can figure out where I want this gold. And then I'm thinking I want to add something on this side here. This would work better. Yeah, I'm gonna put this down here. I'm gonna cut this up. Put it down here. And if you notice, we all are wearing the same scarves. My friend Cherry was the one who gave us the scarves when we met. So guess what the title of this layout's gonna be? And because these are chipboard stickers, you know me, I'm gonna have to glue them down. So you know what I've noticed, guys, and I don't know if you've noticed this too, I use a lot of E's. So I'm like, I always run out of, that's the first letter that I always run out of, and it's a little worrisome for me because I do want to save my my letters here and use them a bit more longer than, you know, normal, if you will. But yeah, I did notice that. I'm like, why do I always run out of E, the first ones that I always run out of? I don't know, I just, maybe this is what it is. Anyway, guys, there you go. I spelled scarves. And you know what? This heart here is calling to be used. But I don't want this other colors there, so I'm going to trim this down later. Time to fussy cut our little gold heart here. There you go. And I think I'm gonna put the scarves, the heart right here by the scarves. Go ahead and put some glue over here. Here you go, guys. Here's our first layout for the September Mini Kit Monday challenge. I hope you enjoyed watching as I put this together. If you have any questions or comments, please place them down in the comment section below. And if this is your first time here and you like what you see, please consider subscribing. We are trying to grow our family, and while you're at it, please click on the notification bell button to be notified of new uploads every Mondays and Thursdays. That's pretty much it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys later. Be well and be safe. Bye.